Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by safeguarding data and clearing associations. Back up now so you can restore later. Once done, sign out of iCloud and Messages to avoid activation lock, and deauthorize media accounts so licenses aren't tied to this machine. Make sure the Mac is plugged in and that you know an administrator username and password, because you'll need them. Now restart into recovery. Hold Command-R at boot, so you can erase the drive and reinstall Mac OS Monterey safely. Once in recovery, open Disk Utility and locate the startup volume, usually named Macintosh HD. Choose the correct format. Apps for newer Macs, Mac OS Extended journaled for older ones. Erase the volume to remove user data and settings. After erasing, quit Disk Utility so recovery returns to the Utilities screen. Then select Reinstall Mac OS Monterey. Follow on-screen prompts, choose the freshly erased disk, and allow the download and install to complete. This reinstalls a clean system without your previous files. After installation finishes, the Setup Assistant appears. Proceed to configure or press Command Q to shut down if preparing for another user. Make sure you sign in with your Apple ID only when comfortable. If the reinstall stalls or fails, check the network first. Switch to Ethernet or reboot into Internet Recovery by holding Option Command-R. That lets you install the latest compatible Mac OS. Finally, restore your data using Migration Assistant or manually copy files from your backup, so everything is back as you expect.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.